Hi, welcome to my channel. The current video about DOGECOIN. Around here at Changelly, we treat DOGECOIN, Doge, cryptographic money with deference, as Doge is the ideal illustration of what can be accomplished, assuming that a digital currency has solid local area support. Brought into the world as an internet image, DOGECOIN shows how a straightforward joke might increment in worth and come to a $18 billion market capitalization. We've gathered realities about the DOGECOIN example of overcoming adversity and gave Doge cost forecast. DOGECOIN origin and purpose. DOGECOIN was planned utilizing the codebase of Litecoin, and its improvement was pointed toward giving an option in contrast to Bitcoin. It ought to have been a more agreeable and amicable cryptographic money. Its most unmistakable component, nonetheless, is its mascot. The designers of DOGECOIN picked a good times approach towards its turn of events. DOGECOIN was somewhat changed when created as a fork of Litecoin. New blocks in the Doge blockchain are made quicker than in Litecoin 1 moment, against 2.5 minutes in LTC. DOGECOIN's mining trouble is changed each block found, and the award is fixed. The most particular change occurred in the brand, and it turned into a main impetus behind its fame. The tomfoolery picture of the crypto helped this image token to stand out enough to be noticed in different online entertainment. The coin turned renowned even external the local area of blockchain innovation fans. DOGECOIN cost was in a downtrend for all of 2018, notwithstanding the multiple times the DOGECOIN cost was going up for a brief time frame. Today, the drawn-out DOGECOIN gauge isn't extremely brilliant. During the value falls of March, July, and September, DOGECOIN was falling alongside the market. The Doge cost drop isn't however terrible as it seems to be for Bitcoin, and the cost spikes after the downtrend show that Doge was recuperating quicker than BTC. DOGECOIN is clearly extremely subject to the general interest in the blockchain business and acts like the majority of different coins. Talked about the cryptocurrency price predictions articles distributed on our site. For instance, Zcash and Bitcoin Cash, the two coins reflected the Bitcoin cost chart. Because of the way that Doge relies upon the digital currency market developments, anticipating its cost becomes troublesome, particularly in the long-term. In expansion to DOGECOIN, there are other cryptographic forms of money that can carry cash to their proprietors, the best digital currency to put resources into 2022 for long haul. DOGECOIN trend analysis. DOGECOIN notoriety was exceptionally steady throughout the span of the earlier year. You can see on the accompanying chart that the coin even figured out how to get an inquiry term DOGECOIN spike in prominence. The coin was extremely intriguing for Google clients with regards to January 2018. 2 or 3 less huge pinnacles occurred in July and December. Toward the beginning of 2019, the prevalence was around a similar level as it was in a similar time of 2018, which is a significant achievement with regards to the as of late added Bitrefil's Airbnb installment choice as a genuine model. The cost of DOGECOIN isn't exceptionally receptive to media consideration. For instance, the report about Airbnb caused a cost ascend against United States dollars by 3% more than 3 days after the declaration. As indicated by Google Trends, Doge has a serious crowd and is most well known in Venezuela. Like Dash, Doge ended up being one of the go-to cryptos in nations where the monetary framework is battling. Different nations with a lot of DOGECOIN look incorporate Bangladesh, Pakistan, the Philippines, and Nigeria. It is a decent sign that the coin is utilized as an option in contrast to the authority government-issued types of money of these nations for financial trade between customary individuals. As of late, DOGECOIN's cost increased by 100%. Such a triumph was sitting tight for the coin after the distribution of the viral video on TikTok, where the client of the Wolf of Bitcoins showed his mining ranch. An admonition has showed up on DOGECOIN's true Twitter account, focused on potential digital money purchasers. In it, engineers encourage not to surrender to FOMO and pursue venture choices all alone. DOGECOIN price prediction 2022. As indicated by the specialized investigation of DOGECOIN costs expected in 2022, the base expense of DOGECOIN will be $0.097. The most extreme level that the Doge cost can reach is 12 cents. The typical exchanging cost is normal around 10 cents. Doge price forecast for May 2022. In light of the value changes of DOGECOIN toward the start of 2022, crypto specialists expect the typical Doge pace of $0.087 in March. Its base and most extreme costs can be anticipated at $0.079 and at $0.089, separately. DOGECOIN price prediction 2023. After the investigation of the costs of DOGECOIN in earlier years, it is accepted that in 2023, the base cost of DOGECOIN will be around 15 cents. The greatest expected Doge cost might be around 17 cents. By and large, the exchanging cost may be 15 cents in 2023. DOGECOIN price prediction 2024. In light of the specialized examination by cryptographic money specialists in regards to the costs of DOGECOIN, in 2024, Doge is supposed to have the accompanying least and greatest costs, about 21 cents and 26 cents, individually. The typical expected exchanging cost is 22 cents. DOGECOIN price prediction 2025. The specialists in the field of digital currency have broke down the costs of DOGECOIN and their changes during the earlier years. It is accepted that in 2025, the base Doge cost could drop to 30 cents, while its most extreme can reach 37 cents. Overall, the exchanging cost will be around 31 cents. DOGECOIN price prediction 2026. In light of the examination of the expenses of DOGECOIN by crypto specialists, the accompanying most extreme and least Doge costs are normal in 2026, 52 cents and 45 cents. By and large, it will be exchanged at 47 cents. DOGECOIN price prediction 2027. Crypto specialists are continually investigating the variances of DOGECOIN. In view of their expectations, the assessed typical Doge cost will be around 70 cents. It could drop to at least 68 cents, yet it actually could reach 78 cents all through 2027. DOGECOIN price prediction 2028. Consistently, cryptographic money specialists get ready figures at the cost of DOGECOIN. It is assessed that Doge will be exchanged somewhere in the range of 98 cents and $1.18 in 2028. Its typical expense is normal at around $1.01 during the year. DOGECOIN price prediction 2029. Cryptographic money experts are prepared to declare their assessments of the DOGECOIN's cost. The year 2029 not entirely set in stone by the greatest Doge, cost of $1.65. Be that as it may, its rate could drop to around $1.43. Thus, the normal typical exchanging cost is $1.47. DOGECOIN price prediction 2030. Following quite a while of examination of the DOGECOIN cost, crypto specialists are prepared to give their Doge cost assessment to 2030. It will be exchanged for something like $2.05, with the conceivable greatest tops at $2.42. By and large, you can anticipate that the Doge cost should be around $2.11 in 2030. How and where to buy DOGECOIN, Doge. It is not difficult to purchase or trade Doge coins on many trades. While buying crypto, it is essential to take advantage of the opportunity of the best rates